So we are a place whose primary job is implantology. And in implantology, every aspect of it. We are not a dentist who does implants and everything else. We have streamlined our careers in the field of implantology, and we do it very, very well. I spend time with you, sometimes an hour, talking about your mouth, talking about your scan, not only the problem with which you came, but everything that else I see there. What should be your future goal? What should be done? And the consultation is free. I don't get paid for it unless you go for the treatment. But I love my job so much that I feel it's important that I talk to you every aspect, alternatives, treatment options. You come for an implant, we just don't do an implant for you. If you need an implant, we do an implant for you. So we are conservative, we do the treatment which is good for your mouth, which is in your best interest. So you will get the right advice when you come to us.